Israel deals deal with Syria to take soldiers' remains. Pro-Palestine International Conference opens in Istanbul. Early election is exam and opportunity. Turkish president. Turkish jets hits PKK targets in northern Iraq. Russian airstrikes kill 5 in Syria's Idlib. Russia considers offensive in Idlib unnecessary. Shia cleric assassinated in Iran. Nearly 39,000 displaced as Libyan crisis worsens. UN. Sudan rulers deny halt of oil flows from South Sudan. 19,500 miners seek asylum in EU in 2018. Eurostat. Sri Lanka, 15 people found dead after police raid. Pakistan confers civilian award on Turkish officials.